Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute popcorn neckerchief slides that are worn on the Boy Scout and Cub Scout uniform. So the supplies you'll need are as follows. You'll need some polymer clay, color white, a wood napkin ring, acrylic paint, chalk pastels, and some sculpting tools. So I don't know what the correct anatomy terms are for the popcorn, but you're gonna take the concave pieces and attach them to the little ball pieces of the popcorn, blending the two pieces together so that way they stick. And now you can use different various sizes for the concave pieces of the popcorn, using medium to small sizes, and just blend them together. You can add as many as you want to make them unique, and you really can't mess up with this, so just have fun with it, creating your little popcorn. Once you're done making all of your popcorn pieces, you'll move on to the next step, which is painting on the chalk pastels. You will need yellow and brown for this step. So definitely don't be afraid to go heavy with the yellow. When you bake it, it tends to fade some, so I would definitely apply as much yellow as possible to make it look buttery. Next, you're going to brush on a reddish brown and a dark brown inside of the concave pieces. Once you're done adding your chalk pastels to all of your popcorn, you're going to want to bake your popcorn in the oven. Follow the instructions on your polymer clay packet. Next, you will need brown acrylic paint to paint some details inside of the popcorn. This is just to darken it up and make it look a little bit more realistic. Next, you're going to add a gloss glaze over the brown paint. Measuring tape to figure out how far you want the spaces in between the red stripes. This is completely up to you on how far apart you want them. Once you're done marking your stripes, you'll need red acrylic paint and a very thin paintbrush to paint on the red stripes. Once the red paint has dried, you can go back with white paint to clean up any mistakes or imperfections. Apply 2 coats of gloss glaze over your popcorn holder. Next, we move on to the gold center medallion. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out a perfect circle. I use the smallest eye dotting tool I have to engrave the lettering inside of the medallion. Then you'll use an X-Acto knife to cut out the numbers 1, 2, and 3. After your medallions have baked and cooled, you'll use a nail file to smooth all the rough edges. Apply thin layers of gold metallic paint. Use black chalk pastels to fill in the lettering inside of the medallion. Now for the fun part. You'll need E6000 glue to glue all of your pieces together. Here you have it. Here's the final product. I hope you liked and enjoyed my first tutorial on how to make your own DIY popcorn neckerchief slide. Follow me on Instagram and show me how your DIY slides came out.